All right, so we got that. All right, there we go. I think it should be on now. I think you should be able to join. Let me just try this on. Let me see if it's working. Yeah, market opens in 1 minute. Are we going down? We'll see. It seems like crypto's going down, doesn't it? I've been buying these dips on crypto. I've been buying the crypto dips. We're gonna see what happens with this. Continue buying the crypto dips. Yeah, the Dipto. I should make up my own crypto. You know, you can make your own crypto coins, and I was thinking, I was like, maybe I should make a trading simplified coin. But then I'm thinking, you know, maybe they'll pump it, and I'm gonna get sued. So I don't want people to lose money. But I was like, that'd be pretty crazy to make a cryptocurrency coin. Make it a trading simplified coin. Yeah, so let's see kind of, I think the market's open. Yeah, it's 9:30. There we go. So look, you got PLTRs pulling back here. Look at this. Look at this retest right here. We just called this out. Let's see if this is going to pop here. That 187 level, is it going to hold? It literally immediately, we made this, we were just talking about this, and now it's pulling back here. But look, let's see how it handles this. RSI immediately at 12 on the 1 minute. But look at pressure coming down. Let's see if it holds. Let's move on the 5-day. I need to see a little further out here. The lowest that we really see this is right here at this 187.30. So you're going to see if it does hold here, which would be interesting. Look at that, pulling back. Oh, 186.80. PLTR selling off. Running into that level, psychological support there at 186. We'll see if it pulls back up. Yeah, it does seem like the market, besides like the big FANG, certain stocks are just really selling off big time. And one of the big ones that really surprises me is Chipotle. There you go. Stocks I'm trading today that I'm looking at Chipotle. Believe it or not, everybody's so afraid of this stock now because they're only doing $3 billion in revenue, which is, in my mind, is, I feel like that's good enough, and they're expanding to 300, 400 share stores. So I've been buying some Chipotle down here around $30, continuing to add. But I'm realistic of the fact that Chipotle as a company right now, it's not looking good in the media, but it looks here at $25 to $26 per share. I think that we could potentially move down towards. So chipping in a little bit dollars here. We'll see. I do think we can get a retest of $34. Maybe not today, but we'll see. Looking here, just watching to see what we got moving here. Look at this. So we were just talking about IREN, and I was saying, hey, this looks like a bear flag forming. And look at this. We literally just drew this out 30 seconds ago. We're starting to sell off here. We're breaking through this channel right here. So we'll see. If it breaks this $56, you're headed lower on IREN, which would be interesting. So IREN could be pulling back here. I'm not sure what CEG is. I'm just going to check it out real quick. Oh, Energy Corp. Yeah, it's a little too expensive for me. I'm sure a lot of these traders here are not. I'd have to draw this out a little better. This charting looks pretty weak on this. We'll check it out another time. So it looks like PLTR is getting that rebound here potentially at 185.58, but we'll see. It's starting to, we'll see what it does in this right here. Let's see here on PLTR. PLTR is coming in hard right now. Hard in the paint on the sell-off. Jesus. It's a 7 on the RSI. Just sending this over to the Watt members. If you guys are checking out this PLTR entry potentially here, 184, get this bounce. This would be something interesting to play. If you do buy, just keep your stop loss tight. But definitely opportunity here with the RSI at 8. IREN getting that bounce. Yeah, see, some of these stocks I bought so much lower that I'm just kind of watching at this point because Microsoft, you know, I'm just watching. You know, we bought the dip on these guys a few days ago. We're in the green, so we're just letting it play out. Oh, he's on the Discord. Let me put Jay Young on the Discord. Let's go chat for a little bit, and then we'll go. Yeah, I'm just going to join the Discord on this. Guys, if you want to join the Discord, you just got to join the WAP. It's the only way. Then you can directly chat with me as we go. See here, trading. There it is. Jae-Young, you know? Yeah, it's getting pumped and dumped.
What's getting pumped?
He's talking about the PLTR. I believe he's talking about PLTR. One of the members of the YouTube channel. I don't know if he's a member actually, but he's messaging us on YouTube, which is awesome, which I appreciate. But let's go back to PLTR. Just these guys are starting to pull back here. See what it does here. This 184 bounce. RSI was 7. It's getting that bounce, which is nice. BBAI, what do you think?
There's a good piece in the journal on that. The Fed is a little more conflicted now on December. That was a little disconcerting. There's also a nice piece on the tape about the holiday season for retailers. Tariffs, what's going to happen is they put that on Black Friday. That's
Jae-Young, what stocks you looking at?
Oh, me? Just a spot?
Oh, you doing options?
Yeah.
You trading SPY specifically?
Yep.
Let me take a look at it.
I'm waiting for it to pull back.
So we got Jae-Young looking at options on SPY, baby. Yeah, interesting. I'm looking at it here. I mean, I feel like you're trading in a zone where you should be eventually shorting this. It looks like we have a higher low here. I mean, a lower high. 689 down to 685. It's going to have to reclaim this 685 level. 686 realistically. So
Yeah, I'm doing a 0 day, so same day.
oof. He's going for that 0 day. 0 ODT. We don't recommend this for newer traders. What?
I've been doing them since Thursday.
And we still alive, baby.
Yeah, I want to see it pull back because I'm looking at 683, which is yesterday's high. Yesterday's high was 683.
You mean the low? Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, I got you.
Oh, yes. Yesterday's high 683.
Yeah, you're right. 680. I'm looking at it now. 683.9 yesterday's high.
Yeah, I want to see if we get back to 684.89 right now.
Okay. Nothing wrong with that. Guys, we're looking at SPY right now for those of you that are on TikTok. Just put that up there.
Yeah, $100 a day and I'm done. In and out. I'm gone.
This man's taking his money like a bandit.
In and out. I'm gone. That's where we at. Where we at right now? Netflix and went down $200, bro. I'm gonna have to take a loss on that contract. Fuck. Stock split ain't going my way. I thought they were gonna pump it.
Yeah, they pumped it down. They pumped your wallet. They pumped the wallet, Jay Young. They said, I'm taking this guy's money. He's making too much on gold. They're like, this man can't be taking all this money. He's making too much.
Nah. I need them to get it lower.
Here you go. SPY's coming down. Nice rejection on SPY. So this is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for this 684 level. Get ready. You're coming down right now. You watching this, Jay Young?
Yeah, I'm looking at the 1 minute on TradingView.
Love zero DTs. There's nothing that gets the juices flowing like watching your money evaporate each hour.
You stupid.
All right, you're coming down. You're at 684.30. Yeah, those meta shares I bought right to the moon once I bought them. Unbelievable, right? Literally. Literally bought the bottom. What happened?
I was looking at the breakdown of Tesla, bro. He might.
You think Tesla's going down?
When did they have? They had earnings already.
Yeah. Tesla going down.
I wanted them to close this gap, but it looked like they ain't gonna do it.
I think it's about to. For SPY.
Let's see what BBAI, what my other stocks doing.
BBAI. Looking at BBAI. Wow. Jesus.
Oh, we just hit $7, 709, 708.
Wow. What is the news on this guy? Anything new?
No, nothing came through that
You know
I've
what it
seen.
is?
No.
It's just that Sage acquisition. I think that's really what it is. That's what's getting people pumped. The fact that they're making moves, that's like all you need to hear. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
I mean,
I'm up 98% on my call. Getting out.
That's what people want to see.
I'm up 100% on my call. I'm about to get out.
I love it.
Sell the close. I'll take my little $100 win. And I might let it go for it. Nah, I'm gonna get out.
Hide the kids. Hide the wife.
Sell the clothes. I'm getting out at
Tell,
105.
tell them we going to Mickey D's today. Everybody getting a Happy Meal.
I'm out.
Good for you.
BBAI call. I'm out. Get out. Up 100% today, bro. You got to get out of that.
Yeah, you should. It's like going to the casino. If you play blackjack and you're up that much, that's it. BBI really coming up. BBI is interesting though because it's got like this amazing force field at like $7.50 that right now cannot be beaten. So we'll see.
Okay, Netflix is turning around. Shit, Netflix went up 15% yesterday, bro.
Dude, it's because they want you to get out with money.
Yeah, but it did it after hours. Stupid thing. The spread on there is so wide, dude. I was like, bro, I'm not gonna be able to get out of this call.
Yeah.
Like I'm down $1,500.
I'll be right back.
The biggest point right here, but never sell.
Coach presents a feel of thought.
Let's even look at it. And more meaning, right? Look at PayPal here today, we plan for mid-year. That's the way you talk about and then CBO and Bitcoin. We would just have trading and probably very good and not done anything to the stock. We know that Block, Square, whatever, not that great. Right? When that we go up, but those that
Norway reporting another record quarter. Revenue more than doubled. I'm getting all the positive stuff. Backlog surged past $55 million, driven by demand for AI infrastructure. So you listen to that and you think, wow, this stock must be flying. But you see, there's more to it than that. That's why I planned for a first on CBC interview with Quorum Chairman and CEO Michael Lynn Trader. Michael, I appreciate you coming. You don't have to waste time saying hello. Let's just get right to this. Okay, so this was not the quarter you wanted. It was not like you told me or anybody, hey, this was a great quarter. You don't know what you're talking about. You did not do that. You are not proud this quarter. Why? That's not true. I am proud of this quarter. Well, okay, that's what I know. So you're proud of demand and that they want you, but you missed the quarter. So I am proud of all the things that we've accomplished. Okay. I am proud of the infrastructure that we brought online. I am proud of the incredible progress we've made within our software. I am proud that we were once again identified as the singular best solution to deliver artificial intelligence to. Welcome back, everyone. Now, I have two portfolios. One of them is a little over 900,000. One of them is a bit over 400,000. It's $1.3 million invested in the stock market, give or take. Now, over the past 6 years, I've made around $550,000 in gains purely from stocks. I've known our specific reasons screen, and that's the earnings column. And that is that I believe that you're basically being lied to. Now, you probably know this because a lot of what you see online, you know is not reality. But I believe the extent of which we're all being deceived is pretty extreme. And that's due to a lot of factors between social media and the news. Social media companies are based off of algorithms and feeds.
Yo, Jay Young. Still there? Yeah, BBI holding up, which is pretty good. All right, let's take a look. So I don't know if he was trading. I know he was looking into the SPY 684, but we did break it. Yesterday's high of day 683.8. Oh, do I not have a volume on? I'm confused. Yeah, so SPY is just broken that. Let's see, it's going to try to reclaim this now, which is interesting. Because yesterday, just to give you a little reference point, yesterday it did not hold. High of day was right here at 683.9. So this might be the new short opportunity. We're going to see if it rejects right here. It usually likes to respect levels. Let's watch it and see what it does. Is it going to reject at 683.92? Someone's saying Meta is down. We'll switch. I just want to see what it does here at this level. Is SPY going to reject this 60? Look at that. Starting to, let's see here. Yesterday's level. I'll check Meta on my phone in the meantime. But that was yesterday's high. Let's see if it starts to reject. Yeah, Meta's coming down 630 to 620, I see. I do understand if you're looking to take that trade. See, look at that. So interesting, right? Yesterday's high is getting rejected. 683.94. Something to watch out for. Let's see if that continues to sell off here on the SPY, indicating some weakness in the overall market. And if that's going to continue being weaker, then I would not buy the dip on Meta right now. I'd continue to wait, because you could definitely see we might start selling off a little more, which would be interesting. If we do break this, though, you're looking at probably 616. Let's go back to SPY. That's why it's always good to have SPY up in your charts. You want to see what the overall market's doing. It rejected that previous day high. Yeah, UNH looks beautiful. I'm so glad I added $315. Just talking to a member of the WAP right now. It's incredible. I bought the dip on UNH, and it's so nice to see it paying off. I mean, that was just we were talking about in the WAP, and it's really starting to pay off. We dollar cost average down at 330, 325, and 315, and boom, now we just got this blast up. I'm not sure what the news is, but I'll take it because I have shares, baby. And that's what matters. Let's take a look at UNH, what we're up right now. Yeah, UNH, yeah, we're up 1,500 on UNH right now. I like seeing that. And Bro stock is moving big time, up $60. Yeah, beautiful movements. Yeah, BBI holding in strong. That's good. $7. I think it's all with that new acquisition they have too. Dutch Bros looks solid. That was a great trade that we made, so that's awesome. Bounce right off that $51, back up to 60. It's got to get above the $61 per share. Definitely something to look into. I appreciate you guys sticking around. What stocks you guys trading? Let me know. What are you guys trading? Bull would have sold. Yeah, Bull is like terrible right now. It really needs to get its stuff together here. 978. It's got to, it'll get there. Just give it time. Yeah, Bull stock has really just been dead. Now, this is a stock you buy and you forget about because it's a stock that'll probably move up one day when you're not even paying attention. This is Bull stock, BULL.